this thing on. 1, 2, 3. Kind of got a weird light to it. Anyway, okay. So what we're gonna do is tear apart. I'm gonna tear apart the AOS 5v2. Started on fire the other day. Now it doesn't really look like there is a whole lot of like internal damage here, all the way back to the Vista. The GoPro that you caught recording all of that still works. Look at that. That's nuts to me. So it gives me hope that maybe this thing will still work. What I'm going to do is just get a 6S right now and plug it in. We're going to hope for the best. No, I can't. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to take the top plate off and see what happened underneath there. This is the back of it if you want to see where the XT60 was plugged in. And the whole time it was just burning up. It was the back of the GoPro holder was right there. Is that the GoPro? Okay. Anyway, what we're going to do is take the top off, so we'll get to that. Some people just, you know, it smells like burnt battery straps and lithium polymer. It's not the, I had to, it was there burning for a while. You guys saw that video, and that was only portions of the video. I would say it was there burning for a total of maybe 7-ish minutes. So, motherfucking, come on. Oh wow, yeah, you can just smell it. Right there, you can see it all burnt. Okay, got most of them off. Got all this stuff right here to put together a tiny trainer with a polar in it. Nighttime tiny trainer. DJI, right? Speaking of DJI, we will see if this still works. The Vista back here, we'll take a look at it in a second once I have all these off. One I always hate is the fucking GoPro. Those ones are the worst. Now these it's funny, these 12.9 M3s, 12.9 grade M3s, right? That's what they are. Are just like the head. You can't see it, but it was just all white because it had been burnt. Man, this stuff probably is like not, is possibly, maybe I should have this thing going. But then I don't know how well you can hear me. So what I'm just going to do is probably fast forward until I'm done with this. Okay, so here we go. See if we can get off the top plate. There should be nothing. Okay. Top plate has come off. There's a top plate, it's burnt to shit, but it looks to me, get that light down a little bit more. It looks to me like actually there was not much damage. I don't actually see anything that's melted. It's the XT60 that I see as being the only problem, so this leads me to believe it was only a lipo fire. The motor right there is, as you can see, hanging. But what I'm going to actually do is go get a 6S and plug this in. And then we're going to find out together what happens. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What we have here is a GNB 1100 milliamp hour 6S. Good lipo, as you can see. There's no puff or anything. Okay, a smoke stopper though. I do need a smoke stopper. Let me go back and get one. So making sense to Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's right there, right here, the whole time. Okay, so you guys are gonna see what happens when I plug in this 1100 milliamp hour 6S into the AOS 5V to that literally had a 6S burned to the ground on it. We're going to use a smoke stopper. Hopefully it still goes through. Okay. Ready, set. Holy shit fuck. This thing still works.